In a world that can't stop talking, silence is a superpower. Most people speak just to fill the void, unaware that they are giving away their power. But the wise know a secret. Silence isn't weakness. It's a force louder than any noise. Why do powerful people speak less? Because when you hoard your words, their value increases. Your silence makes your enemies uneasy, and your allies respect you. It allows you to master your emotions and see the world with clarity. As Marcus Aurelius said, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself. Silence is the fortress of that inner strength. Try something today. Where you would normally argue, stay silent. Where you would react, take a breath. In that moment of silence, you will feel the control shift back to you. Real strength doesn't come from the noise outside, but from the stillness within. Let your silence be your weapon. If this video added value to your journey, hit the like button and subscribe to join our community of wisdom seekers. Stay silent, stay observant. Build your strength. If this wisdom is adding value to your life, show your support. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more timeless Stoic insights. Join our community of wisdom seekers today.